He hasn't drunk plain water in more than 40 years. He hasn't eaten cooked food in nearly 5 decades. And at 76, he still looks like a man living in his 30s, strong, glowing, and full of energy. This is Dr. Aris Latham, known around the world as the father of gourmet raw food cuisine. And his life is living proof that nature knows best. For 29 straight years, he's been completely illness-free. No flu, no fever, no medication, nothing. His secret? 5 simple foods that he calls his sun-fired medicine. You will be shocked when we tell you about the one living water he drinks every morning, something that has kept him healthy and ageless for decades. We'll reveal that at the end of this video. The man who never gets sick. Dr. Aris Latham is not your average health guru. He's a food scientist, educator, and wellness innovator who's been studying the link between sunlight, food, and human vitality for almost 50 years. He was born in Panama, raised in Jamaica, and built his career in New York City, where he first saw the devastating effects of processed foods and urban living on people's health. That realization changed his life forever. He switched to vegetarianism, then veganism, and eventually embraced a fully raw, plant-based diet. A lifestyle he calls sun-fired food. Today, he's recognized globally. The Oxford Encyclopedia of Food and Drink in America even lists his name as the pioneer of raw food cuisine. He's trained chefs, inspired doctors, and taught thousands of people how to use sunlight, plants, and nature to restore their bodies. And at 76, with no aches, no stiffness, and no signs of slowing down, Dr. Latham continues to prove that the body never grows old, only habits do. The philosophy of sun-fired food. Aris believes that food is sacred. It's a direct gift from the sun. His entire philosophy is built on one simple law. The closer your food is to sunlight, the more life it gives you. He refuses to eat anything heated above 48 degrees C because he says heat kills the living enzymes in food, the very molecules that help our bodies heal and regenerate. Fire destroys life. The sun creates it, he often says. To him, raw food isn't about restriction. It's about restoration. Every fruit, every seed, and every leaf still carries solar energy within it. When you eat it raw, you're eating sunlight in its purest form. That's why he calls his meals sun-fired. They're charged with life, not drained of it. The 5 foods that keep Dr. Aris Latham young and disease-free. Number 1, fresh fruits, nature's solar batteries. Aris starts every morning with fruit. Apples, peaches, pears, mangoes, or melons. For him, fruit is the purest form of sunlight you can eat. Fruits are the batteries of life, he says. They store the sun's energy and feed it back to you. These fruits flood his body with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants that fight inflammation and repair cells. They also hydrate naturally, and since most fruits are over 80% water, he believes the morning should be for cleansing, not clogging. That's why he never eats heavy foods early in the day. He says breakfast should break fast, not break health. Fruits, he insists, are the best way to cleanse your system and awaken your energy after sleep. Number 2, leafy greens and cucumbers, the internal cleaners. Every day, Aris fills his meals with lettuce, kale, spinach, and cucumbers. He calls these foods the body's soap. They scrub your insides, flush out toxins, and keep your blood alkaline. He often says, when you eat green, you clean. Greens also supply iron, calcium, and chlorophyll, the compound that gives plants their color and gives humans vitality. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are nature's hydration tools. They keep his body cool, his joints supple, and his kidneys healthy. He combines these with fresh herbs and lemon juice, turning every meal into a detox. My kitchen is a laboratory, he says. Every dish heals something. Number 3, seeds, the DNA of life. For protein, Aris doesn't reach for meat or processed powders. He goes straight to the source of creation itself, seeds. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are his favorites. He calls them the blueprint of life. These small powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which keep his heart strong and brain sharp. He sprinkles them on salads, blends them into smoothies, and even soaks them overnight to activate their enzymes. A seed can grow into a tree, he says. If it can give birth to life, it can give life to you. Seeds also balance hormones and reduce inflammation. One reason his body stays flexible, pain-free, and youthful even in his 70s. Number 4, coconut water, the living water. Aris hasn't drunk regular water in more than 40 years. Instead, he hydrates entirely through plant-based liquids, especially coconut water. He calls it living water because it still carries the electrical charge and minerals of life, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Coconut water, he says, isn't just hydration, it's nutrition. It balances electrolytes, rebuilds cells, and fuels the nervous system. Tap water is dead. Coconut water is alive, he declares. When you drink living water, you become living energy. Every morning, he drinks a glass of coconut water mixed with lemon, aloe vera juice, and mint, a ritual he calls his internal shower. It's the first thing that touches his body each day, flushing toxins and waking up his organs. Number 5, herbs, nature's forgotten medicines. Aris adds herbs like basil, mint, cilantro, and parsley to almost every dish. For him, herbs are not just flavor, they're healing. They support digestion, boost the immune system, and protect against inflammation. He calls them the green doctors. Parsley cleanses the blood, mint cools the body, and basil strengthens the heart. If people used herbs every day, half the hospitals would be empty, he says. For Aris, every leaf and root is a tool from nature's pharmacy, one that has been ignored in favor of pills and powders. The two habits he refuses to do. Dr. Latham avoids two things completely, and he says they are the reasons most people age faster than they should. The first is cooking. He hasn't eaten cooked food in nearly 50 years. Fire destroys enzymes, he explains. Cooking kills the life force. Instead, he uses dehydration and sun-drying, gentle processes that preserve nutrition and flavor. The second is drinking tap or distilled water. Dead water cannot feed a living body, he says. Instead, he drinks only plant water, coconut, melon, or citrus juice. These carry minerals, electrolytes, and life energy that nourish the body at a cellular level. It sounds extreme, but looking at him, it's hard to argue with the results. His daily routine for longevity. Aris's daily routine is simple yet powerful. He wakes up early and begins with what he calls his internal shower, a mixture of coconut water, lemon, aloe vera juice, and mint. This drink hydrates his system and activates his metabolism. The first half of his day, from sunrise to noon, is dedicated to cleansing. He eats only fruit during this time, allowing his body to flush out toxins naturally. He spends his mornings harvesting, walking, or meditating outdoors, always under the sun. From noon to evening, he refuels with greens, seeds, and raw vegetables. His meals are full of color: red peppers, yellow mangoes, green herbs, purple cabbage. If it looks like a rainbow, it's healing you, he says. He goes to bed early, sleeping at least 8 hours a night. Sleep is fasting, he says. That's when your body becomes your doctor. His approach to fitness. Aris doesn't go to the gym. He doesn't lift weights or follow any strict exercise plan. His body stays fit through movement, climbing coconut trees, harvesting fruits, walking barefoot, and gardening. Every day I lift life, he says. I don't exercise, I move with purpose. This natural activity keeps his muscles strong, his blood flowing, and his heart young. He believes motion is medicine, that the body was designed to move through nature, not machines. He often says, I don't need to lift iron, the sun lifts me. So if Dr. Aris Latham can live 40 years without cooked food, 40 years without tap water, and 29 years without a single illness, what's stopping the rest of us from doing the same? Is it really age that makes us weak, or the habits we choose every day? The secret drink in his morning living water. Now, here's the secret we promised earlier, the one drink that Dr. Latham says keeps him feeling 20 years younger. Every morning, he blends coconut water, aloe vera juice, fresh lemon, and mint leaves. He calls it his internal shower. This drink hydrates his body with natural electrolytes, detoxifies his liver, and recharges his cells. He believes it's the reason he hasn't been sick in nearly 3 decades. It's liquid sunlight, he says. It wakes me up better than coffee ever could. The real lesson behind his life. Aris Latham's life isn't about extremes. It's about returning to simplicity. He's a reminder that the earth already gave us everything we need to heal, grow, and thrive. We just stopped listening. At 76, he lives like a man still discovering life, laughing, teaching, creating. And every time someone asks him the secret to his energy, he gives the same answer: eat life to live life. Dr. Aris Latham's story proves that aging isn't a curse. It's a reflection of how well we honor nature. You don't need medicine to stay young, you just need to reconnect with real food, real movement, and real rest. He's not chasing youth, he's feeding it. Every coconut, every leaf, every drop of sunlight keeps him young from the inside out. He says, I don't live to eat, I eat to live. And I live because I eat what's alive. So the next time you reach for a meal, ask yourself, is this food alive or dead? Because that answer might just determine how young you'll feel tomorrow.